Kibe. Welcome to day 6 of my style series, aka Vlogmas. So every day since the beginning of this month of December, I've been sharing with you guys one hairstyle that is easy to do, that is fast to do, that can be done within 10 to 15 minutes, and that is protective, just so that you guys will have different styling options to style your hair this Christmas season. So today is day 6 of the whole style series. So that means that I've shared with you guys 5 hairstyles already. If you guys have not watched the previous videos, then I'm going to link it up in the cards. I have a playlist dedicated to all the styles I've shared so far, so you can click the iCards right now or click the description box. Check the description box to see all the other styles I've shown you guys. So yesterday I showed you guys how to make a really nice high space bun with bangs. So that was when I did these bangs that you guys can see right now. If you guys want to see how I got these bangs, then definitely watch that video. I'll link it up in the card. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to transition from that hairstyle to a more like elegant, more mature hairstyle easily within 10 to 15 minutes. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, then definitely keep on watching. So like I said, I'm not going to be showing you guys how I did this again because I already showed you guys yesterday. Click the iCard to see how I got my bangs to look like this. So today I just decided to wear my hair down because I was no longer feeling the space bun, so I just let my hair down, and you guys can see like it's already like puffing up and things like that. It's already like forming, like it's already coiling at the ends and looking weird. So now I'm going to be transitioning from this to a high bun, but I'm still going to be maintaining the bangs. You know, you can go from one hairstyle to another hairstyle without too much manipulation, you know, and without experiencing breakage this Christmas season. So you're going to be switching up your styles a lot, and people are just going to be wondering like, how come like you always look different? That's because you have natural hair that you can switch up anytime you feel like. So yeah, so I just put on like a head. This is actually a scarf. This is actually the scarf that I usually use to sleep. So I just tied it down, let my hair down, just like fluffed it and shaked it. That was how I got this style. So I'm not going to show you guys because this is not a protective style. I'm not advising you to wear this like for a long period of time, except it's just something you just want to do quick and fast. Then this is actually a style option, but I'm not recommending it to you guys because the weather is really dry this season, and it's best to put your hair up and like protected this dry season. So now let's just go ahead and jump right into today's style. So let me remove this. You're still going to be maintaining the bangs, but you're just going to move from that to a high bun. Comb to do this, but you guys know that I try as much as I can to avoid using combs, so that's why I'm using my hands. So instead of bringing all your hair out, just as you wrap it, just leave it a little. So, and that will give you a nice. My hair is all poofy now, so that's why the whole texture is not smooth. But if it was not poofy, I would have been able to bring every hair in here so that it's going to be more like uniform and things like that. So today's hairstyle is like pretty easy. You can make the bun as tight as you want, but I like my buns to be relatively loose, and that's why you can see it's not like really tight or anything. It's still loose. You can do this. You can also make it tighter. If you make it tighter, it's going to be, you guys can see. Let's try to make it a little tighter. So I'm going to be using a smaller. Okay, no, that cannot go around my hair. Let me look for a different hair tie. I'll be back. So I'm just taking another hair tie to just tie it to make it make the bun tighter. So after making it tighter, you guys can see how it looks. The shape is better and rounder. So yeah, this is the look. You can see this is like more like mature and more like flexing and like multi-purpose than the last hairstyle of the space bun that I showed you guys. So this is a vibe. This is cute. You can wear this for parties, you can wear this when you're going out on dates, you can wear it at home. Like, it's just a really nice, cute holiday. Like, it just screams holiday, you know, just screams playful, just screams cute. Woo! I think I'm going to wear this like very often, like this this Christmas season. I like it. It looks really nice. Let me go ahead and show you guys what the back looks like. So yeah, this is a look, this is a vibe, and I'm really feeling it. So yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. For tomorrow's video, I'm going to be showing you guys different ways, like I'm going to be showing you guys different cute ways to make a bun. So if you guys are interested, then definitely stay tuned for tomorrow's video. With that, we come to the end of this particular video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video.